Hi everyone, in this live session we are going to find percents of a number mentally very fast. How do we find percents of a number mentally and that too very fast? So let's try out some questions on this. Suppose if we have to find out 10% of 400. So we have 400 and we need to find out 10%. 10% of 400, so we just have to place the decimal towards the right side of the number and just move one slot towards left, and you place a decimal here. Your decimal appears one slot towards left, so 10% of 400 is just 40. All right. Let's see another example. Like if you have to find out 20% of 500, so we have 500 and we need to find 20%. 20% of 500. For finding 20%, we first need to find 10% of 500. 10% is super easy to find. You just place the decimal towards the right side of the number and just move one slot towards left. That's it. That is 10% of 500 is 50. So what is 20% of 500? Just multiply 2 times 10, you're going to get 20. So you just have to multiply 2 times 50 and that's going to give you 100. So 20% of 500 is 100. Done. Okay. Let's see another example. You can also confirm this by using your calculator. Just take down 500 and the percent in decimal. 20% in decimal is 0.20. You just insert this in your calculator. You're going to get your answer as 100. Okay, so let's see another example on this. Like for example, if you have to find 30% of 150. So I have 150 and I want to find out 30% of 150. For this, I need to find out 10% first. So what is my 10% of 150? Just place the decimal towards right side and move one slot towards left. That's it. That is your 10% of 150 is 15. And what is 30%? Just multiply 3 times 10. 3 times 10 gives you 30. So 3 times 15 gives you 45. And that's your 30% of 150. Okay, so you can also check in your calculator by just inserting 150 and take the decimal. 30% in decimal, that's 0.30, and if you insert this in your calculator, you're going to get exactly as 45. Okay, let's see another example on this. Suppose if you have to find 15% of 400. So if I write down, if you need to find 15% of 400, what are you going to do first? You're going to find out 10% of 400 first. And 10%, as I already told you, just take the decimal towards the right side and move one slot towards left. So that means 10% of 400 is 40. 4040. And now we are going to find 5% because we need to have 15%. So 5%, how are you going to find 5% of 400? 5% is just half of 10%. How amazing. Half of 10%. That means half of 40 is 20. Now for 15%, we're just going to add 10% plus 5%. That means 40 plus 20 is going to give you 15%. 40 plus 20 is 60. That's your answer. 15% of 400 is 60. And you can also check using your calculator. Just take down 400. 15% as decimal is 0.15. You have to just insert this in your calculator. You're going to get exactly as 60. Okay. Let's see another example on this. So if you have, suppose if you have 25% of 700. So if we take 700 now, and you need to find 25% of 700. So what are you going to do first? You're going to find 10% of 700. And what is 10% of 700? It's just 70. Place the decimal towards right, move one slot towards left, and your answer is 70.0. That means 70. 10% of 700 is 70. And now next we are going to find 20%. So what will be 20% of 700? It's easy. It's just twice 10. That means you just multiply 2 with 10. You are going to get 20. So multiply 2 with 70. 2 times 7 is 14. So you're going to have 140. So 20% of 700 is 140. And next we are going to find out 5%. So what will be 5%? 5% is just half of 10%. How amazing. Half of 70 is just 35. And now if I want to have 25%, I just have to add 20% and 5%. That means 140 plus 35. That gives me 5. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1. 175 is 25% of 700. Alright, so you can use your calculator and check. You can insert 700 and the percentage in decimal. 25% in decimal is 0.25. So it's 0.25. So 0.25 and you're going to get the same 175. Alright, let's see another example on this. For example, if you want to find out 23% of 300. So what are we going to do first in this? 23% of 300. First we are going to find out 10% of 300. What is 10%? Now it's super easy. 10% of 300 is 30. You're going to say it so quickly in your head. Okay. Place the decimal towards right. Move one slot towards left. 300. 10% of 300 is 30. Okay. Next, what are we going to find out? 20%. So 20% is just twice of 10. That means multiply 2 with 10. 2 times 10 gives you 20. So 2 times 30 will give you 60. Alright, now next we need 3%. Now we don't have 5% so that we can take half of 10% and all. We are going to find out 1% so that it makes it easy for us to calculate 3%. 1% is just you need to have the decimal towards right. Move 2 slots towards left. That's it. 1% of 300 is 3. How amazing. And now next we have to find 3%. 3%, you just have to multiply 3 times 1. That gives you 3. 1 times 3, that gives you 3. So just multiply 3. 3 times 3 gives you 9. So 3% of 300 is 9. Now what are we going to do? We need 23%. So you just need 20% and a 3%. So just add 60 plus 9. That will give you 69. That's your answer. 69. Or if you want to check it using your calculator, then just insert this 300 multiplied by 23% as a decimal. How will you write 23% as a decimal? That's just 0.23. Insert it in your calculator and check out your answer, and it's going to be 69. Alright, so if at all you like this session, guys, please don't forget to share it with your friends and leave a comment because it means a lot. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.